In a scientific study, researchers investigated the effects of a sweetener called aspartame on a type of cancer cells found in the pancreas. They used a specific cell line called PANC1, which is commonly used for studying pancreatic cancer. The cells were treated with different amounts of aspartame and glucose, another type of sugar. The results showed that high concentrations of aspartame and glucose led to a decrease in cell viability, meaning the cells were less able to survive. This suggested that these substances might have negative effects on the cancer cells. The study also found that long-term exposure to aspartame increased the population of cancer stem cells, which are special cells that can contribute to tumor growth and aggressiveness. However, it's important to note that aspartame did not cause the formation of tumors itself. These findings raise concerns about the safety of aspartame, especially for individuals with diabetes or obesity who often use artificial sweeteners as a sugar substitute. While artificial sweeteners may seem like a healthier option, they may not provide the expected benefits for diabetes control and could potentially have a link to increased cancer risk. Overall, this study raises important questions about the use of aspartame and its potential impact on cancer cells. It highlights the need for further investigation to ensure the safety of artificial sweeteners and to better understand their effects on our health. If you enjoyed this video, you'll be sure to enjoy this one. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I release a new video. Be sure to check out some of the recipes on my channel as well.